Okay. At the time now, it's in the middle of the night, so I don't want to wake someone up, so I will do like a very quiet, maybe like an ASMR opening. So, let's see. This Barbie Extra doll is maybe one of the most beautiful, especially the clothes, the outfits. It's like Raquel. Oh no. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, look at the shape. Her hair is very soft. I almost damaged it from the package. It's very, very beautiful, very beautiful. They are see-through and matching, so they look fabulous. I really like them. They're beautiful. And a pizza handbag with heart-shaped salami and scallop mushrooms. In a way, it's kind of fun that she has a pizza bag because she looks so classy, you know. So pizza bag is, I guess, the least one would expect. So makes it a bit fun. Yeah, I guess it's a phone, or is it? Phone. And this one is really cute. I really like the headband. Hot glass, can she have these also? She could. She could have those also. And so cute. Really cute. Headband is really cute. Glasses are cute, and I used to have these kind of glasses. I had 5 pairs of these red glasses, but I lost them all. Okay, this one is so cute. I really like this Barbie doll. She's very beautiful. I really like this Barbie doll. She's very beautiful. Very beautiful. I really like this one. I have her also. I haven't gotten this. What is this? I haven't seen this one, I believe. Or no? And oh, this one I haven't seen. This one I have, and she's very beautiful. Okay, so I didn't want the colors to get stuck on or anything, so that's why. Okay, she's very beautiful, very, very, very beautiful. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.